hell was it?
Some guy came into my work and said, you know, fuck them fucking Brits, they're nothing but fucking shit.
That's so awesome. England's okay and everything, but it's hard to surf that day. Yay, fatties! My battery's about to die.
We're getting surfed.
Nuh-uh. Now it's raining harder. Oh, that was cool though, I got that. Whoa.
I had to play this for high school band.
Shit. What? Shit. Get it out of the rain. Put it down.
Get yours out of the rain.
I have it covered. I still got a minute left to record. Yes, it does.
You can walk back here.
Oh well.
You gotta walk Well, at least I'll be getting a shower.
Yeah, at least we're all clean and pretty.